Nudes still rock. Senna's Earth Pigment palette is your go-to for easy elegance and natural allure, but with a little more spice. I'm excited to show you this new look on our beautiful Loren, so let's get started. I prepped Loren's skin with our sculpting eye cream and our sea algae cream. I perfected her complexion by using Lasting Illusion foundation and slip cover. And then I've highlighted the under eye shadows with Totally Transforming Concealer and set it with Secret Set. To start the look, I'm going to use Spice and I'm going to apply it with the double eye brush. I'm using the flat part of the brush to really tap in and get the intensity that I want. I'm going to blend it out. The next shade I'm going to be using is Stone. This is a beautiful, soft, neutral brown with a slight bit of glow, and I'm using it with the Feather 15 brush. And I'm going to be going over the crease and blending it up to the brow bone. So next step, I'm going to be using Sandbar. This is a very glowing champagne beige color, and I'm using it with the 32 brush, and I'm going to highlight under the brow bone. Then I'm going to take it into the inner corner of the eye. I like the eye to be bright in the inner corner because it opens up the eye. The next step that I want to do is I want to go back to Spice with the double-ended brush, but I'm using the small end because I want to line and shadow. Look up at the ceiling. I want to shadow under the lower lash line. I want a wide line here. It really gives you a nice open eye blend. Now to really add more drama, I'm going to take Eclipse. This is a really beautiful chocolate brown, rich in pigment. And I'm going to take it with my Rondo 45 shadow brush. Always tap it off. And I'm going to go inside the inner corner. Make it very, very dark in a triangle shape. Then I'm going to take it and go in the outer part of the eye. And I'm dabbing it on. I'm doing a triangle shape so that I get a highlight in the center of the eye. So now the next step, I'm going to take Eclipse again with a 605 angle brush to line the eye. Just go along that lash line. It's a very subtle, beautiful look. Now look up, and we're going to go underneath, right at the base of the eyelash, all the way across. Now to finish the look, I'm going to be using my Voluptuous Volumizing Mascara. I like to lift up the lid and use my thumbnail as a lash guard. Now to further intensify the eye, I love using our Ultra Last eyeliner. I'm going to use it in the waterline. Tight lining is something that I've done since the 60s, and I love, love, love what it does to the eye. What I love about our new palettes is I can use it on the face as well. So I'm going to be taking Spice with my baby face brush, and I'm going to contour Loren's face. Start at the back of the ear, angling towards the lip area, and carve out that cheekbone. Next, I'm going to highlight with the palette as well. I'm using Sandbar that I use on the eye, again with the baby face brush, and I'm going to highlight the cheekbone to give that beautiful glow that we all love. Go down the center of the nose, the chin. You can go above the lip and the Cupid's bow. You can see that these colors work on the whole entire face. So you have this beautiful, harmonious makeup, and all you need is one palette. I'm so excited. So I finished off her look with our beautiful warm lip colors. I used Naked Ultra Last Lip Liner, Bohemian Matte Fixation Lipstick, and Sundown Lip Lacquer. This palette gives you this warm, beautiful, natural allure. You're gonna love this palette.